We'll guide you through how to fix the option allow access to photos missing on your iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. At the moment, I'm in the YouTube app, but you could be in any app, and you want to go and give the app access to your photos. So when I go and click on the photo icon in the bottom left, it then says let YouTube access your photos and videos. I'll click on open settings. And as you can see here, I'm not getting any option to go and allow access to my photos. If this is the case for you, then all you need to do is come out of your settings like so, or if they aren't already open, go and open them up. And you need to go down to screen time and click here. In screen time, scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions, just like this. Now, if these are enabled, what you can do is go and completely go and switch them off if you want, like this. If there's a passcode on there, you'll need to enter it or get the person to go and set it up to enter it. Or if you just want to go and change the specific setting, go into privacy and then photos, and the passcode will need to be entered. So once again, enter it if you know it, or go and get the person who knows it to enter it. Now what you need to do is open up your app switcher by dragging it up on your iPhone like this, and then go and close off the app you're having the problem with, which was YouTube. After you've closed it off, go and open it up again. Then what I'll do is click on the photos button in the bottom left like so, and then I'll press continue, and now we go and get the pop-up where we can go and give access. And I can click on allow full access just like that. And alternatively, now in your settings, if we come out of these settings here, what you can do is go and scroll down into privacy and security, and then go into photos, and then what you can also do is give access from here as well. So then what you could do is go and give access to X, for example. I could go and give them full access like that. If you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.